episode 2 of going 0.42 cents to $1,000, and in our episode 1 we ended the balance of $3.48 in the last episode. So from today we'll be starting with this our balance now to go into our target to a mighty height, following the strategy from the book Micro to Millions: How to Grow a Small Account to a Big Trading Portfolio. From the very point, you can see this is XAUSD, and we'll be doing analysis now on XUSD on a big sniper entry to take our trades and make it profit to a mighty height. At this point, you can see there's a very strong zone at this region. You can see I'm in 4 hours time frame, doing my analysis on this 4 hours time frame to know where the trade is going to know where price wants to go and will be reacting from. So you can see there's a very strong zone at this level. There's a very strong zone which is showing that there is a very big rejection and a price retesting this very level. You can see what is happening there at this very point. You can see that price is currently bouncing off this level. Just follow me step by step. You can see in the past, price bounced at this level, bought massively, retested at this very zone, bought massively, retested, and currently is at this level. So I'm expecting it to continue buying, so showing a continuation in buys at that level. And also I'll map out a very big zone from this level too. There's a very big zone from this level, so it's showing in the past that the price bought is testing from this level too, so it's meant to buy here. And if you watch this very thing, whenever price breaks out from this very level, that is where it will create continuation and buy. That is where you see the price keep on buying to this very level. A breakout and it will continue buying. It will just break out from here. It will just break out, retest from this level, create a retest, then keep on buying from that very level. That is what this price is showing. So from there it will break out for that very level, retest, and keep on buying. So it is showing me that the price needs to continue buying at that level. And also I'm still trying to validate this level. If this level is very solid in my zone that I mapped out now, I will now go deep down here. I've seen that there's a very big, you see the price which the past sold down, which have tested the bots, and currently at this level it's showing that this level is strong. So let me map it out and show you my second confirmation that this level is very strong. You see I'm doing my analysis following step by step to be able to elevate to a mighty height. So currently seeing that at this very level that we are is a very strong level at that point. It's a very big strong level at that very point. You can see there's a very big strong level the price is currently at now. You can see the price is currently at a very big strong level, and that very big strong level is where it is now. That is where this trade currently is now. You can see, if you watch, you can see this very level now is where the price currently is now at that very point. So currently let us be deleting very so it's not confused us on what we're doing. And I'll now come over to this very region. I'll map out my zone here. I've mapped out a very strong region at this very point. You can see in the past the price reached here. In the past bought massively, which retested at this very point. Currently is at this level, so I'm expecting a trade to buy massively from that very region. And you can see that if I now zoom to this very level, you can see what the price did here. As you can see in the past, the price reached here in the past. You can see the price reached here in the past, so damn massive from this very point, bounce up here, broke to this very level, and currently is at this very point here. It created a head at this very point and a shoulder pattern. It keep on creating this very stuff. I must see a pattern at my entry point before I take any trade, after I've mapped out my overall zone at that very point. So currently I've entered my trade now with 0.01 lot size at this very point, 0.01 lot size, a very big sniper entry at this very point, I'll be entering with 0.01 into 2 on a sniper entry. The main target is for the trade to buy massively and give us massive profit, and this very trade is entered on a very big sniper entry. Let's see what XUSD has for us to take our account to something very massive, to a mighty height. Our target is from this our balance to $1,000 to a mighty height. So guys, trade is currently buying massively on a sniper entry at this very point. You can see trade is currently buying massively from our zone at that very point. And currently I'm closing all trades in profit at this very point. Currently we're up in $5.96. You can see we're growing it gradually. I'm showing you the reality of growing a small account, following the strategy, the mighty strategy, which I imprinted, and I'm following it gradually. And also the process, everything you're seeing is pump and plain. And I'm growing the account to something very massive, to a mighty, and currently we're up in $5.96 to a mighty height. Let us watch and take our next trade to something very massive. And if you note, the reason why I'm trying to close my trade in profit is I'm trying to gather capital, because since this is a small account, I cannot let a profit to run for long. I'll have to be closing in some profits, so try to be accumulating capital to be increasing my positions to take this trade, because our target is $1,000. Our target is to reach to something very massive. So guys, at this very point, you can see this trade have currently sold down massively and retraced down to our overall support level, as we identified in our last trade. The trade currently sold down massively because I've been waiting patiently for the trade to sell down massively and retrace down where we are. So currently I'll be entering my buys now with our trade now, because there's a very strong support level at this region. There's a very strong support level there. I'll be entering my buys with 0.01 loss size into 3 at this very point. Let's see what USD has for us to a mighty height. So only following the strategy with the book micro to millions, how to grow a small account to something very massive, and with the same way you can replicate and do what I'm doing to something very massive. We'll be holding it very to give us huge profit to something very massive, to a mighty height. You're expecting it to buy massively from here to this very region to touch our overall resistance level. So guys, the trade is currently buying massively at this very point. The trade is currently buying massively. You can see what happened here. You can see that from our zone on a sniper entry, the trade is flying massively on a sniper entry, following the strategy from our ebook micro to millions. The trade is flying massively at this very point. The trade entered flying massively, and currently I'm closing not trading profit at this very point. Currently we are up in $34.96 to a mighty height. The overall strategy, the mighty strategy, is imprinted in the ebook micro to millions, how to grow a small account to a big trading portfolio. You can get it and be elevated to something massive and be trading and be flipping account. That's the way I'm doing at this very point. So currently we are massively up in $34.96. Our target is $1,000. Let's see how we get to $1,000 to overall target. Follow me as we are doing this very stuff to a mighty height.